Do you know how to spot a fake Air Jordan 1 Dior? On this video, I'll be doing a comparison between a fake pair and an original pair so that you know how to spot an original pair or a fake pair. Let's go! What's up, LNS fam? Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. As I mentioned earlier, we will do a comparison between a fake pair and an original pair of the Air Jordan 1 Dior. Guys, I'm not promoting fakes. This is just for educational purpose so that you know how to spot a fake pair and you won't get scammed if someone is selling you fakes. Okay guys? So on this video, we will do a detailed comparison between a fake pair and an original pair of this Air Jordan 1 Dior. But before we continue with this video, let me just ask you a favor. Please do like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so because I'll be doing a lot more of this types of content. I'll be doing more of this legit versus fake sneakers, so watch out for it soon. So now guys, let's start to check out the sneakers, and let's start with the box. So first, let's check out the box. So as you can see, it looks the same. The logo is exactly the same, and the sides are also the same. On this area is the same, and then on this area it's also the same. Now let's check out what's inside these boxes. Okay, let's try to open up this box first. This is box A, and let's see what's inside. Okay, just like the normal Air Jordan 1 Dior, so you have the insoles, extra insoles over here with the Dior logo. So you can see it's very prominent. Okay, and then you have this small pouch which has the Jumpman logo. Okay, and then there's another one over here. This is the Air Wings logo. And then lastly, here you have the extra laces. You have also the Dior tags over here, which was already cut out. And then of course the dust bag. So you have one for each shoe. So the logo on this dust bag is embossed. You can feel it. Then the other one over here is the same. And then you have the Dior tissue paper over here. And then here's the Air Jordan 1 Dior. Okay, now let's open box B. And just like the other one, it has the insoles over here, the Dior insoles. Okay, the small pouch which has the Wings logo over here. And then the other pouch with the extra laces. And then lastly, we have another small pouch which has the Jumpman logo. It also has the dust bag with embossed print with Air Dior on it. It has two. And then you have the similar Dior tissue paper. And bam, that is the Air Jordan Dior from box B. Okay guys, so here are the accessories of the Jordan 1 Dior from box A. And here are the accessories from box B. So have you noticed which one is the legit pair and which one is the original pair? Let's check out one by one and compare them. Okay, let's start with the Air Wings logo. So this is actually from the fake pair and this is from the legit pair. Okay, so the legit pair, as you can see, it's in plastic, while the fake pair, okay, or the UA pair, it doesn't have plastic on it. But if you look closer, it looks exactly the same. Okay, here is the back side. It has the small holes also, so it's exactly the same. Let's check out the Jumpman tag. So this is from the fake pair and this is from the legit pair. Okay, as you can see, it's also in plastic. So this is the pouch of the legit pair, this is the pouch of the fake pair. Let's check out the extra laces. So as you can see, here's the pouch of the fake pair and this is the pouch of the legit pair. So now if you check out the laces or the extra laces of the legit pair, it's almost waxy. And then the tip of the laces, you have the Dior logo. I'm not sure if you could see. While on the fake pair, the laces is not that waxy although it also has the Dior logo. Okay, now let's check out the insole, the extra insoles. So I think this is a giveaway. As you can see, this insole, the logo is really predominant. The embossed logo is really, you can really see the embossed logo, while on the fake pair it's not that embossed. So this is actually a giveaway. Okay, this is the original pair, this is the fake pair. I think for me this is the most visible difference between the fake pair and the original. You have the Dior tag, so it looks exactly the same in front. So it also has a Dior tag there, same as the original pair. But if you turn this around, you will see something that is in Chinese characters, and then you'll see Dior. On the other side, it's the same. If you compare it together, this one is more yellowy than this one. This one is more white. And the print on this one is more darker compared to the other one. So this is again the legit pair, and this is the fake pair. Okay guys, so now can you spot the difference? Which one is fake and which one is legit? So as you can see, this is the first pair. Just by looking at it like this, can you tell me if this is the legit pair or if this is the fake pair? Okay. Then this is the other sneaker. Okay. So have you spot any difference? Which one do you think is the legit pair and which one is the fake pair? Okay guys, without looking at it in details, could you tell me which one is legit and which one is the fake pair? Is it this one or this one? I'll be showing it to you guys later in details so that you would know how to spot a fake pair of the Air Jordan 1 Dior. Okay, let's start with the left side of the sneakers, okay? So this is actually the fake pair and this is the legit pair. So if you look at the Air Wings logo with the Air Dior written on it, so this is how it looks like on the fake pair. And on the original pair, it looks like this. So there's not much difference, as you can see. So again, this is the fake pair and this is the legit pair. Now let's check out the Dior swoosh. So this is actually from the fake pair and this is from the legit pair. Have you seen any difference? So if you look at it closer, the fake pair is more thicker compared to the legit pair. Looking at it from the top, you would see a slight difference in color of the laces. So this is actually the fake pair and this is the legit pair. So as you can see, on the fake pair is more darker compared to the legit pair. Now let's check out this part. So as you can see, Dior Air and then this one. So actually this is the legit pair and this is the fake pair. So the stitching is a little bit off on the fake pair. As you can see, it's not really defined compared to the stitching on the original pair. Now when it comes to the tongue, it's almost the same. So this is actually the fake pair and this is the legit pair. Okay. Again, fake pair, legit pair. So it's almost the same. So you won't really notice it, okay, if you look at it together. But then the leather that they use for this both pairs. So the fake pair, which is this one, is a little bit more smoother compared to the original pair. The original pair is a little bit rougher in texture compared to the fake box area. This is the toe box of the fake pair and this is the toe box of the legit pair. This is the inner swoosh of the fake pair and this is the inner swoosh of the legit pair. So as you can see, there's not much difference, although the legit pair is slightly thinner. Now let's check out the back side of the sneakers. So which one do you think is the legit pair and which one is the fake pair? For me, it's obvious. This is the fake pair and this is the legit pair. As you can see, the tip of the ankle area is not that defined. It's not properly done. And then the extension of the swoosh, the fake pair is this one. As you can see, it's not that really well done, while the original pair is really done properly. On the midsole, you will see the definition of the ridges on the midsole, and for this one, it's not as defined compared to this one. But if you're gonna be looking at it from afar, you won't really notice it. You have to really look into it really closer and compare it just to spot if it's an original pair or a fake pair. Now let's check out the Wings logo underneath on the outsole. As you can see, this is the Air Jordan 1 Dior Wings logo, and this is actually from the fake pair. Okay, and then if you compare it with the original pair, it's actually the same. There's not much difference. I don't know if you can see a difference, but for me, it's almost the same. But what I noticed is that the icy bottoms, the fake pair is more clearer compared to the original pair. This is the original pair. It's more whitish, and then the fake pair is more clearer. So that's from what I see right now. So I don't know if you could see it also by watching this video, but this is my observation when I put it close to each other. As you can see, this is more whiter, this is more on the clearer or bluer side. The original pair is more whiter compared to the fake pair. As you can see, this one is more on the bright or bluish in color. This is more of a whitish color. So now let's check out the number. So as you all know, the Jordan 1 Dior is actually numbered. They only made 8,500 pairs, as you can see on that tag. So this is actually numbered 7,331. So it's in leather, black leather, and this is actually from the fake pair. And then for the legit pair, it's numbered 938. It's also in leather. But I think the leather that they used on the original pair is much better compared to the fake. Before we check out the right side of the sneakers, let's have again a closer look between these two pairs. So again, the fake pair is at the back and the original pair, the legit pair, is in front. Okay, from this angle you will see that this is not properly done. There's waves, while this one is really smooth. Okay, and it's moving towards up over here, while this one, it's moving towards up, but it's very. This is the fake pair. As you can see, the ankle area over here, it's not really done properly. It's a bit crooked. It's not as defined as the other one, the original pair, and the ankle area is a bit higher compared to the original pair. As you can see, it's a little bit lower. Now let's check out the Dior logo on the bottom. This is from the fake pair, and this is from the legit pair. So this one, it's almost the same. There's not much difference, so you won't really notice anything. So for me, it's exactly the same. So again, this is the legit pair, and this is the fake pair. So guys, based from what I've showed you, which one of these two is the legit pair and which one is the fake pair? Is it this one? Is this the legit pair, or this is the legit pair? Or is this one the fake pair, or this one? Have you decided which one of these two is legit and which one is fake? Well, this is actually the fake pair and this is the legit pair. So basically, the main giveaway between these two is the ankle area. As you can see, it's not properly done. It's a bit crooked compared to the original pair. And over here, the fake pair is a little bit higher compared to the legit pair. And the details on the midsole I'm not sure if you could see it properly, but this is from the legit pair and this is from the fake pair. So just by looking at it, you would notice already that this is the fake pair and this is the legit pair. However, the other details of the sneakers is almost the same, so there's no way you could notice it. So you have to make sure that you have another original pair to check out and compare. Otherwise, the types of fakes right now is really good and they really look legit. So make sure that you are careful in checking before you buy the Air Jordan Dior. Make sure that the one you have is legit and don't get fooled by people who sell fake items as original pairs. Okay, so again, this is the fake pair and this is the original pair. I hope I was able to help you out spot a fake pair so that next time if you're trying to buy an Air Jordan 1 Dior, you would know how to spot if it's legit or fake. Anyway guys, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.